Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio, the place where learning English feels relaxed and fun. I'm Mira.
Hi, Mira, and hello to all our amazing listeners. Oh, I'm feeling great today. Very cheerful, very energetic.
That's wonderful, Alex. I'm feeling happy too. The weather is lovely today. Look at that sunshine.
Oh yes, the sun is glowing like it's smiling at us. Days like this make me happy for no reason.
Same here. A bright day really lifts the mood. But before we begin today's conversation, we need to talk to our friends.
Ah yes, our lovely listeners. Hello everyone. We're so happy you're spending your time with us. If you enjoy our conversations, please click the like button. Just one click. Easy, right?
Exactly. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio. We're excited to create many more episodes to help you improve your English.
And please share this podcast with your friends or family. Learning English is more fun together.
Yes, sharing is caring. Okay, Alex, what's our topic today?
Today, Mira, we're talking about life. Simple life, the little daily things that quietly make us happy.
I love that topic. Life can be stressful, but small joys really matter.
So true. We often chase big goals and forget the tiny happy moments. Let's talk about daily habits and simple pleasures.
Great idea. Let's start with the morning. Alex, what's the first thing you do after waking up?
Honestly, I open my eyes and think, 5 more minutes, please.
Very honest. I usually smile and tell myself, today will be a good day.
That's such a positive habit. After that, what's next?
I go straight to the kitchen for my favorite thing. Can you guess?
Let me think. Coffee?
Yes. The smell of coffee in the morning is magical. I add a little milk, no sugar.
Oh, I need sugar. Sweet coffee makes me happy. But I agree, the smell alone feels comforting.
Exactly. I sit near the window with my cup, watching birds and trees. It's quiet and peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Morning silence is special. It helps the mind wake up slowly.
What about you? Are you a breakfast person?
Very much. I'm always hungry in the morning. Eggs, toast, and sometimes fruit.
Fruit is great for energy. A good breakfast really sets the mood for the day.
Yes, if I skip breakfast, I get hangry. Hungry plus angry. Haha.
I pause, take a deep breath, like this.
Oh, I feel relaxed already.
Then I drink water. We forget how important water is.
So true. My doctor always reminds me, drink more water. Oh, I'll take a sip now.
Good job. I also listen to music. Calm music while working, fun music while cleaning.
Do you dance while cleaning?
Maybe just a little. Music makes boring tasks fun.
I sing loudly while washing dishes. Sorry, neighbors.
It's okay. Happiness is more important than perfect singing.
Exactly. Joy can be found even in dirty dishes.
What about the afternoon?
I like learning something new, even just 10 minutes, reading or watching a short video.
That's wonderful. Learning keeps the brain active. Listening to this podcast helps too.
Yes, small daily learning is better than long study once a week.
Consistency matters, like watering a plant a little every day.
I have a plant named Oliver. He's doing well.
You named your plant? That's adorable.
He listens very well, never interrupts.
Plants really make a space feel alive.
They do. Mira, what about family?
I call my mother every day, even for 5 minutes.
That's beautiful.
We talk about simple things, food, weather, but it makes me feel close to her.
Connection is essential. I send my friends funny messages or memes.
Small gestures mean a lot.
Sometimes we meet for pizza at home. Nothing fancy.
Pizza nights are the best. No stress, just laughter.
Laughter is powerful medicine.
Now, evening time. What's your routine?
I try to put my phone away. Very hard.
I know, but phones disturb sleep. I stop using mine an hour before bed.
That's brave.
Then I read a real book. I love paper books.
Me too. I also enjoy a warm shower. It feels like a hug.
Lovely description. Before sleeping, I think of 3 good things from the day.
Gratitude. Today I'm thankful for coffee, this chat, and the blue sky.
That's beautiful. Gratitude changes our mindset.
And it helps with sleep. Sleep is so important.
Yes, simple habits create a peaceful life.
We don't need a lot of money. Happiness is already around us.
In coffee, walks, books, friends, right here.
I feel inspired. I'm going to water Oliver and call my sister.
Perfect plan. Let's summarize today.
Morning coffee, movement, kindness, water, music.
Learning daily, connecting with people, gratitude, and good sleep.
Simple list, happy life.
Dear listeners, try just one small habit today.
And tell us, what small thing makes you happy?
Write it in the comments. We love reading your thoughts.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.
Thank you, Alex. This was lovely.
Thank you, Mira. See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.